techniques into that. It's sounding more, it's making more sense. It's sounding more deeper than the first guy that is just playing the thing at the surface. At the surface, when I say at the surface, like playing charts and then doing the drop, so it's fine. But it sounds. Now this second guy, let's break down. What is it doing? Now this is more or less like F major 7. Now we are in the key of C, right? Right, but he's doing F major 7. The other guy is doing F charge. That's the thing. So you have to start adding sevenths and not just direct 7. Now imagine if I've done this. This is F major 7, but it doesn't make sense like this. This one adds more meaning to my music. Right? So that's why I said you must learn the chords, learn the inversions. Sometimes it is the inversions that will give you the way, that will give you what you are looking for, not even the chord in its root position. Sometimes it is the inversion. Alright guys, at this point, everybody should send me bottled waters and cokes and drinks, like, oh, you've been talking since, take this and drink. Right, so I hope I'm opening people up. Now what this will do to you is that it will give you an edge when it comes to studying. Like you want to study more, you want to study deeper, not just at the surface. So you come up a better pianist than someone maybe I've just shown the basic and he's playing it, and it's fine too, it's fine. Like you can hear it in my voice, it's fine. But I prefer the second guy. I prefer the second guy. That's just it. So right, let's ask one more question before wow, this got interesting because you guys engaged me. Yeah, so if you're not engaging, I'm sure this would have been done with the live session long time ago. But I love the way you guys were engaging. I mean that's what I want. I wish my lessons can just be live lessons, but I mean it's not, most times it's not always practical. Okay, thank you, sir. This live session has been really helpful. Great. The second, right. Is there any question I missed? When you play a song, you always follow the melodies and then you build all the stuff. Drop tunes, tritones. Yes. Arrow music, sorry I missed that. If you are still online, yes. When you play a song, you always follow the melody. Right, because I should not be playing song A and I'm sounding like someone that is playing to another song. I mean, it will sound funny. Professionals will want to bring out their cane and give me some lashes like, hey, what are you playing? You're not, yeah, it has happened before. You just play stuff and people are like, no, that's not the song. Yeah, because you're already taking, it's like you are harmonizing the song, but when nobody has asked you to harmonize. So you should, let's look at this song again. Okay. So in this line that I just played now, Jesus, trust in Jesus, I tried following the melody line. How to follow the melody line? How? Put it on the top right. In whatever you are doing, put it on the top right. So German. So something like that, like we should be able to hear the melody in whatever you are playing. Now I'm not in the mood, but I can actually add very crazy chords to that. And but the major thing, the most important thing is that I still sound like I'm playing that song, not like another song, because I want to play tritone and diatone and no. Those songs don't come first. Any question? Sir, how do you bring patches in your keyboard for worship? Leopard did it again. Oh guys, we have to end this session now. Alright, so I'll just answer the questions. I'll just type that in the comment section. Thank you. God bless you.